before you do.
You're gonna catch 5 before me? 5 before I catch 1?
No, it's 5 fish before you catch 5. And we're gonna catch like 30 today.
All right, guys, looks like we've been challenged today. She says she's gonna catch 5 fish before I catch 5 fish today. We just had a pretty good rain yesterday, and honestly not a clue how they'll be biting today. There is another storm actually moving in that we may get caught up in. As of right now, it looks like just rain. We're not going to stay too far from the ramp just in case, because there is potential for a thunderstorm at some point. But we're out here today and we're trying to both make upgrades for a month long. So wish us luck today, and wish me luck especially so I can beat her. She says she's gonna beat me today. Are yours gonna be bigger too? Okay, so we're going with most fish and biggest fish. See who can win. Maybe I can pull off the win on both, who knows. I will say, guys, that I am right now working towards that 2,000 subscriber mark. I've seen pretty substantial growth since my giveaway video, but if you've not watched that video yet, please jump on and watch it. Follow the rules, because right now a lot of people that have watched it have not. And I'm kind of in a competition with my buddy, That Fishing Noob. He's saying he can beat me to 2,000 subs. So if you're new to this channel, or if you've been with us for a little while, make sure you push this out to your friends that like fishing as well, and let's see if we can beat him. But I will link his channel in this video as well, because ultimately a rising tide lifts all boats, and I would love to see him hit 2,000 as well. He's a little bit further from it than me, and as much as I want to win this one, I would be okay with him winning as well. Yeah, wish us luck today, guys. Hopefully we can get on them.
Alright, Rain, I need you to hold off or just be light sprinkle, please. I have fish to catch today. If you could do that, I would be very grateful. Okay, straight lines, cast.
Oh, I didn't get it. Hopefully that one's still there, because it did not get it in its mouth. Just kind of sucked it under when on that second time. When I saw the frog disappear, I thought for sure it had it that time.
Alright. Trying a new frog today because the grass is falling off a lot, so I'm trying the popping frog. Yeah, so we'll see if I can figure this one out. Definitely think this would be a good area to do it in. Fish my way down this bank and into my little cove that I like to fish. Just don't know how to do this one exactly. So we'll see if I can land a fish with it today.
That one missed the frog completely.
That was the coolest thing. I just watched that fish follow that frog. He missed it. He's still there though, so I'm gonna throw it back over there and go again. He's not huge, but it was really cool because I could follow him, so it'd be cool to go ahead and...
The water is very muddy. So that was one of the big reasons why I was like, well, I'm going to throw the popping frog today. Something that's going to make lots of noise, push water like bait. Obviously haven't had any solid hits on it yet, but just now started out really. We're less than 100 yards from the ramp right now. And had 2 bites, so promising start. I did not get a hook set on that one. That one kind of caught me by surprise, honestly. I didn't reel down far enough to that one. It was a little one, obviously. When I set the hook, it came out of the water.
Got one. Oh. Oh, come on. I don't know if it's a good one or just stuck in the grass. Oh, it's a good one. I think. Oh, I still can't tell. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. There we go. Yes! Yes, it's a beautiful fish. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. It's giant. Text Chase, I just caught a huge one. Oh, it's so big. Oh, it's big now. Okay. Okay. Beauty. Oh my gosh, it's so big. Oh, wow.
Okay guys, just got a text from Kayla and she said that she caught a huge fish. So we are heading over. We're gonna get some pictures of it. And if it's big, definitely get a weight on it too. Maybe it's a new PB for her. Be really cool. Put her in good shape for our little competition if so. But I don't really care. It's going to be exciting to see her with a big fish again. That's a good fish. You want me to come get a weight on it? Turn off.
Letting it go.
Little bitty turtle right there. Just making its way on the grass. That was pretty cool. I don't know if it was successful. There was an osprey just diving to try to get a fish.
So there is two big grass mats right here. Both of them have a big circle in the middle. Normally you can very clearly see it, but we got a ton of rain last night and they were already kind of high from the last rain we had, and so like I can't see where the hole is, so I'm just guessing, and sometimes I'm missing and getting a bunch of grass. But if you can find that hole, this is like one of those things that works really well in it. Obviously, y'all know that, but I've learned that. It's just you gotta find the hole so you're not in the grass. Just need to turn a little bit. I think it's getting ready to get rain. No lightning though, so we're okay. There's a fish. Oh, whoa, we're going airbound. Oh my goodness, guy. Oh, he's gonna snap my rod. Oh, come on. Holy cow, you're a little fighter. Fish number 2 for the day. Not a bad little guy at all. Might get to cull 2 fish. I don't know if he's gonna be bigger than 15 or not. Was on a June bug from Dadfish Tackle, but can't take a picture because my worm is gone.
All right, Kayla's got 2 fish in now. Sadly, if all the ones that I had bite would have got hooked up, I'd already have my 5 fish today. Several missed, and then I missed a couple, but she's 2 fish in. As of right now, she's winning the challenge. That could change if this rain really turns them onto top water. Although in reality, we're an hour and a half in. I've had probably 7 bites.
That guy was a fighter. He gave me a pretty sweet aerial jump there. Now I've got to get my wacky rig back on. I've seen the worm go flying, but I thought it... Need 3 more fish to catch 5 today. That's always my goal because that's tournament limit out here. So it's always my goal to try to find 5 fish. Small, big, I don't care. Like, I just want to get to the point where I'm catching 5 fish every time I'm out. So that I feel confident on tournament days that I will give a limit even if it's a small one. And then from there, to learn to catch 5 fish, I'm going to learn to hunt down the beast. But today I would be happy with the 2 fish I've had so far, for sure, on tournament day. Let's just see if we can find a few more. Never thought I would like this so much, just gonna be honest. Oh, that was a pretty little jump right there. There's a fish. Oh! I lost that one. I was reeling it in when he hit. He was a little guy, but I lost him. It would have been my 3rd fish. Oh well. It happens. It's so funny. I was legitimately reeling it in, so. Oh well. You win some, you lose some. I'd rather lose the small ones, because they always get you. Although that one got me good today. Ooh, I can hear the rain coming back in again. Another quick spurt, it looks like, because I only caught it for so long. Oh, didn't get it. was me or the frog? Maybe a little bit of both. All right, let's try again.
Yeah, I don't know if I waited too long or what.
Come on. Come on.
Pull your rod tip back. Pull it back and fight it in. Go back and forward, back and forward.
I see it. Come on. Don't go under my boat. Yes. Fish number 3.
Good job.
16. Well, I think. I'm hoping it showed 16. That spinning rod fight makes me a little nervous sometimes because it goes differently.
They're just not getting it. That one just had missed. I just had one follow it all the way to the boat and just hit right here. Miss it. Looked like a good sized fish. I don't know if they'll be able to see it on the camera because the rain. Test cast. There we go.